Do you want to speak English fluently? Do you also face the same question that you can understand English but you cannot speak? You can understand English but you cannot write. You can understand English but you cannot express yourself in English. If you are facing these problems, then you come to the right video. Hi everybody, my name is Anurag Singh, and today in this video I'm going to tell you that how you can improve your communication skills and also English communication. Now, let me tell you one thing, that you have watched so many videos on YouTube that you can improve your communication in 7 days, in 15 days, in 30 days, in 3 months. Okay, but today in this video I'm not going to give you any plan for these such absurd timelines. Okay, because I know that if you really want to improve something, if you really want to get confident, if you really want to become confident, if you really want to speak fluently, then at least you have to give 6 months. So today I will tell you how in 6 months, just by giving 1 hour daily, you can speak fluently, calmly, and also you will become familiar with the English language. And after 6 months, you will come and tell me in the comment section that how calmly and comfortably you are speaking. You don't even have to read things first to speak. You don't have to think earlier to speak, because till that time you will become so much fluent and understanding that you will start forming sentences in your brain at the same time when you are speaking. So in today's video I will give you a plan for 6 months. How? Understand this thing. I have already told you that if you really want to understand something, then please ensure and decide in your mind that I will devote 6 months to it, uninterrupted, and without thinking that okay, 7 days passed or 1 month passed, 3 months passed, I'm not getting significant results, because you will not get significant results in 1 month or 3 months. But I can say this, that you can see changes in you. You can witness changes, that okay, you are improving with time. Okay, so now let me talk about this thing, that we are going to divide this process into 4 parts. And we all know, we have watched so many videos, that what are the 4 parts of spoken English. So these are: first is reading, second is writing, third is listening, and fourth is speaking. So we are going to focus on the 4 aspects of spoken English. And with this, we are not only going to speak fluently, but we are also going to understand writing. We are also start writing. We are also going to have good understanding of English. So so now let's talk about one thing at a time, and after that, in the upcoming videos, I will give you more good suggestions to improve each of the things separately. Okay, so for reading, as a beginner, what you can do, I will give you a plan, good plan, in separate videos, so that you can understand it better. Like, I have to explain it in a better way, but today I'll tell you what are the 4 things that is necessary, and how you can start as a beginner for 1 month, so that you can make your foundation for the further plan. Now, what you start doing, if you don't know how to speak, if you face so much problem, then you should start reading children's stories, children's poems, so that you can start reading that easily. The other thing you can do for reading is that you can also start reading Indian novelists, Indian writers, because as we are Indian, so we understand that thing easily. Now this is the beginner friendly. For 1 month you can do that. Now the second thing is, for reading done, then writing. For writing, what you can do is, whatever you read that day, like any story, any novel pages, So you try to summarize that in a single page. After reading, you try to summarize that whatever you have understood from reading that. And second thing you can do, you can start journaling or diary writing. You can you can sit on evening, so you start writing your daily routine. You can answer some question that what I have done today, what mistakes I have done, how can I improve those mistakes, है ना? What learning I have done, what is something that I can improve in my life. You can answer these questions so that you will also improve your life. Okay? Now the third thing is reading done, writing done. Now listening. So for listening, I will suggest you कि you do one thing while you are reading. You record yourself. You record yourself in a audio note, and then you listen your own audio note and recognize what mistakes you have done. Now for reading and listening, I'll give you another thing, that you can watch videos. You can watch children's story videos on YouTube, and from turning on the subtitles, you can listen and read on the both on the simultaneously. And the other thing is that you can also watch Indian. You can also watch Indian short videos in English, or you can watch English bloggers, so that you can understand the context what they are talking, and you can also read while doing that. Now it will also help you in writing, that you can also summarize it into writing, है ना? So you will do that. Now after that it comes speaking. Now you will try to speak whatever you read aloud, so that your tongue will become familiar of that. One thing you can do this. The second thing, you can start reciting that story whatever you are listening. One time you listen that story on your mobile phone, read along with them, and then what you can do, then you can speak with them. The second thing you can do this, and the similar thing you can do with the Indian dramas, or not Indian dramas, but Indian short videos, English short videos. And by doing this for 1 month, you will see changes in you, that okay, you are doing something and you are improving, that you will say little changes. So for that, you also have to do one thing, that now you will also maintain a diary in which you are daily maintaining that what you read, what you listened to, what you spoken, है ना? And what you have read, listen, spoken, and read, listen, and write. Okay, so you have to maintain a diary for daily basis, that what you have done, and by this, till 1 month, you will understand and become good. And now for the further months, you have to do a thing, that is, you have to start recording yourself. If you do not record yourself, then you cannot evaluate yourself. For that, you have to record yourself, and then you have to watch yourself in that video. You have to evaluate in 3 ways. That is, first you have to watch yourself speaking, then speaking and how your body is moving. The second, you have to listen your audio, and the third, you have to transcribe that video, and also then read out the transcript, that what words you are pronunciating correctly and what words you are not pronunciating correctly, whether you are using filler words or not. So this is the process for 6 months. I will explain this process in further videos. Till now, you can practice this thing and see changes in you. Thank you so much. Jai Hind.